Welcome to Teddy Physics. Today's question is what determines the rate at which energy is delivered by the current, by a current. So the answer for this question is power. So power determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current. So for example, rate of change of velocity. So rate of change of velocity. So how you are going to write this sentence more? Rate of change of velocity, you are going to write this sentence as v by t, which we nothing but acceleration. Like a change of velocity means del v by t, which is nothing but acceleration. In the same way, the rate of change of energy is called as power. Like power is equal to del E energy divided by t, like that. So the rate at which energy is delivered by the current. Okay, so here, okay, this is not rate of energy by time, this is power. Okay, here what they are asking, the rate at which energy is delivered by a current, they are asking. Okay, how this power determines that we will discuss now. So for example, let me take a fan, a ceiling fan. In your home you are having ceiling fans, right? So general power consumption of a ceiling fan, power consumption of a ceiling fan is 90 watts. 90 watts. So in that will be there, mom, like whatever the fan you are using, there will be there the power consumption, like that. So some fans will have 120 watts, 110 watts, 90 watts, like that. So what is that 90 watts meaning? So it uses, I mean, if you give 90 watts of power to it, then what will happen? It will rotate with maximum speed. So for example, if I am having fan, that fan which runs with 90 watts, so at this 90 watts power consumption, it will runs maximum speed. Maximum speed. So in my home, I am also having regulator. Regulator. So what these regulators will do? So simply we will say that regulators will decrease the speed, but how? So we know that power is equal to what more? Voltage into current. This is a mechanical view, mechanics view. I mean, in mechanics chapter we will use power definition like that, but here rate indicates divided by time. That's what I want to say with these examples, with this content. So here the power, you know that power is equal to voltage into current. Okay, so and the voltage we know more, that is 220 volts, which we are getting. Okay, in India we will get 220 volts. In America, in US, they will get different types of voltages. So here we will get 220 volts times of current. So it depends upon current. So power depends upon current because voltage is fixed. That's okay. So the current determines the rate at which the energy has to be delivered. Okay, here we can say like this. But what role does a regulator do here? Means regulators will increase or decrease the current by using resistance. So they will use resistors. So there are different types of regulators are there. Of course, I am discussing about the regulators which will increase or decrease the current. Okay, so for example, in first stage of regulator, the fan will zero, the fan won't rotate at all, it will be zero, like that. In the second point, the fan will rotate with very small speed. In third, okay, somewhat high speed, medium speed. In the fourth, it will rotate with maximum speed, like that. 4 stages are there in the regulator. So in the fourth stage, what happens if you rotate that knob in the fourth stage, I mean fourth step? So what will happen means the resistors provided by the regulator will be decreases. If the resistance provided by the regulator is decreases, that means that maximum current will be maximum current will be allowed to the fan, so it can rotate with maximum speed. So in this first stage, what happens means the resistance will be very high. That means the current which is allowed into the fan is almost zero. That means the fan won't rotate, like that. So that in that case, the regulators will regulate. So the current regulation, here the current, and the current, how much current is going inside, that will determine the power here. Okay, the more current will go means more power will be reached, and it will rotate with maximum speed. More power reached means what? More energy is delivered to the system, like that. So like this. I hope you understand. Thank you.